you don't learn English. You don't read books. You don't watch educational tutorials. You don't listen to me. So, no, it's not true. Okay, I'll see that. My name is Mr. Mark and I'll force you to learn English. Okay, so nowadays our topic is present simple negatives. And don't interrupt me and listen to me carefully. Okay, so let's take the positive sentence, okay? So I, not you guys, I speak English very well. So our task is to make a negative from that, yeah? Okay? So we take an auxiliary verb do, plus not is don't. So we contract that. Do plus not is don't. Alright? So if we want to say that I don't speak English very well. If we want to be more formal, okay, more formal, we can say like, I do not speak English very well. But if we want to be like an average speaker and we want to look formal and informal, so we can contract that and we can say I don't speak English very well. So it can be we instead of I, you, they, okay? I, we, you, they don't speak English very well. Alright? So let's take another example. So you take classes on YouTube. So our task is to make this sentence negative. Negative. So you have to put you, then you put don't take classes on YouTube. It's very easy, guys. Very easy. Okay? But you should take classes on YouTube, alright? Okay, next, let's move on to doesn't. So doesn't takes the third person singular. It's he, she, it. He, she, it plus doesn't plus any verb except to be. Any verb except to be. So he doesn't read, she doesn't write, he doesn't sing, alright? So you have an example here. Mary sings in the shower. So sings in the shower, right? Okay, I don't sing in the shower. I don't know how it looks like, but Mary sings in the shower. So our task is to make this sentence negative. So how can we make this sentence negative? We take does plus not and we have doesn't. So we contract this. We form this. Does plus not is doesn't. So we put this doesn't like after Mary. So Mary doesn't sing in the shower. That's it, guys. That's it. Okay, so one more important detail that after doesn't, we don't have any S at the end because this doesn't like eats this S, alright? It swallows this S and we don't have any S already. Here we had S, but here we don't have any S. So now guys, the negatives with the present simple with the verb to be, okay? So the first one is am plus not. So I am a teacher, yes, and you have to put it in the negative. And how to deal with the verb to be, how to deal with the verb am. So am plus not, okay? I am not a teacher. So am and not you can't contract, you cannot put it together. But you can put together I plus am. So I am not a teacher. So you can contract this I'm not, okay? But here you can't contract am and not. No, you can't contract it, okay? So I'm not a teacher. So of course I am, but I can explain to you that I'm not a teacher, alright? Okay, so let's move on to isn't. So isn't. John is a garbage man. You see, he didn't learn English and he became a garbage man. Haha. So John is a garbage man. So now we'll put it in a negative form, okay? So John is not a garbage man, but it's really formal if you say this. very formal. So now our task is to put it together, is plus not. So is plus not is isn't. So you can say, John isn't a garbage man, alright? So John is a teacher probably, yes, or a singer, or a writer, whatever, yes? So John isn't a garbage man. So this all about the third person singular. So she is an actress, okay? It is a dog, alright? It isn't a dog. She isn't an actress. So it's concerning he, she, it, right? Okay, now let's move on to the plural. So it's all about aren't. So the police are nearby. Oh, we have to be careful because the police are nearby, alright? So, and I just lied to you. So the police are not nearby, right? So we have to contract this are plus not. So are plus not is aren't. So aren't is a good variant to put it in a negative. Alright, the police aren't nearby. So one important detail that the police, as always, are. Okay? The police are. So I hope that you guys understood this present simple negatives, and you have to like that video, subscribe to my channel, listen to me carefully, and share that videos with your friends and followers, okay? And don't forget to press the bell button not to miss my classes. You don't miss my classes. Okay, bye.